On the way to Yuma, my friend Jan's car broke down. And of course, I had to get a few clips of hooking up to the tow truck. We found free camping on BLM land at Pilot Knob on side of Winder Road exit. Then the winds were blowing pretty strong the whole week and a half I was there. Only had a couple days where the wind wasn't too bad. It was on the weekend when we arrived. It took over a week to get Jan's car repaired, so we made the best of it by having some fun. I know, because it rained.
See some cars you can like lift it.
Yeah.
You got all kinds of tools on there to do stuff like this.
Yeah, accurate.
Oh,
It is accurate towing.
We don't
Look
have
at that. That's pretty cool.
You're not a cheater. Yeah.
Wow.
Well, that's all right. Your job, I think that's a good idea. Okay, I'll do that.
So then we plan to go on to ALGODONES, Mexico on Monday. It was only about 6 miles from our camp. It cost $6 for parking at the entrance to Mexico. They made sure we had our passports in hand, but no delays getting in. However, if you don't get out by 3 o'clock, you can't leave till the next day. We arrived early, so we didn't have any problems with that. Jan needed to get some dental work done. We all got stuff at the pharmacy, and on the way out, they got stuff at the liquor store. So once we got into Mexico, Jan went and got her dental work done. We went to the pharmacy and then found a little restaurant a couple of blocks from where we started. We went in there. We ordered really nice meals. The food was okay, but the service was pretty bad. And they really didn't have much of an atmosphere. No good music or not really a social place. So we decided we were going to have to make another trip back to Mexico, for sure. Anyhow, we had a good time that day, and we got out in time. Later, we went over to the Garden Cafe in the Paraiso to have a few drinks before we left. Then we stopped for the rest of the things we had to do on the way out. So this was our second trip to ALGODONES. We decided to do some shopping. This is the hat I ended up buying. Then we were, during the day, the hat people, the vendors kept coming to our table. We tried it on dozens of different hats. Each one of us ended up buying a hat over the trip. And we had a great time. We had margaritas and daiquiris at a wonderful lunch in the Garden Cafe. We did some shopping afterwards, picked up some more gifts, and we just generally had a great time. Oh, and we started it off with great nachos, really good nachos with avocado, guacamole, and sour cream. Their cream blend, whatever it was. I had drank one cup. They had a couple apiece. I went over and talked to the musician, and we danced from our chairs and stood up a little bit, talked to people. We'd had a really good time. We also bought some matching different colored t-shirts that said, "We are partying." Okay, here we are in Garden Cafe in Algodones, Mexico, in the Paraiso shopping restaurant area. Sharon ordered a shrimp something.
Ranchero.
Shrimp ranchero. I ordered a chimichanga. And Jan ordered fish tacos. We got guacamole and sour cream. We have strawberry daiquiri and margaritas. And we have live music and lots of fun. I went over and talked to the musician, and we danced from our chairs and stood up a little bit, talked to people. We'd had a really good time. Take another one. Get another sip. Party time! Yeah!
Did you get that?
Ooh, yes, I did.
What about those lazy ones there? Still too big, not what you're looking
Something
for?
smaller.
Oh, I like those are small.
Those look pretty
Those
small,
are pretty
that one
small.
he showed
Not to
us.
me.
But not you?
have it.
Okay.
I have a picture of what I'm looking
The
at.
lighting is really bad.
Not a picture, but a
Hold those
drawing.
little ones up. No, right here.
Those are the ones he showed you. Yeah, that one right there.
Those are little tiny. See it. Well, friends, I sure hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. It helps my analytics so YouTube will share me out. And hit the bell in case you want to know when I'm going to put out the next one. Should be a lot of fun this year. This summer, I'm planning on doing a lot of stuff. So hopefully I'll be able to share all this on video. Thank you for coming. And look at the description box below if you would like to know how you can support this channel and keep it going. Thank you.